Welcome to the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on the bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos. So how do YouTubers get paid? They make money by monetizing their videos with ads running through them. The money you earn depends on your CPM. And the CPM stands for cost per thousand. And CPM is the amount an advertiser pays to have his ads served against videos 1,000 times. It is calculated based on how many people watch the video and from where the people are watching the video. Many factors affect CPM, and these include demographics, content, gender, and time of watch. YouTube will also take 45% of your revenue from the advertising. In 2018, advertisers spent an average of $3 per thousand views. Now let's go over Welding Tips and Tricks' YouTube channel. They currently have 618,587 subscribers. First video was posted on January 10th, 2008, and it was MIG Welding Uphill Technique, which has 856,000 views. Total amount of views on their YouTube channel is 149,941,318. And as you can see, I got that from their YouTube channel. Now let's do some math and calculate how much money they've earned throughout their whole YouTube career. So 149,941,918 multiplied by a CPM of 3, which is 0.003, and you get $449,825. Now of course with this, YouTube gets a cut. They get 45% of the revenue. So it's 449,825 multiplied by 0.55, and you get $247,404. Now daily subs is 449, and monthly subs is at 13,455. And as you can see, I got that from Social Blade. Now daily revenue, this is going to be an estimate. So daily views, it's about 68,586, and I got this information from Social Blade. Now monetized playback, that's usually, from my experience, it's about 80% of your daily views, because not all views will have ads in it, or not all, and some people have ad blocker, so they don't see any ads on the video. So 80% of 68,586 is 54,868. Now the CPM is $3. So the daily income is 54,868 multiplied by a CPM of 3, which is 0.003, and you get $165. Now monthly income is $165 multiplied by 30, and you get $4,950. Now annual revenue, this is going to be an estimate. So revenue is $4,950 multiplied by 12, and you get $59,400. Now of course with this, YouTube, they always get a cut. So YouTube gets 45% of the revenue. So you would have to do $59,400 multiplied by 0.55 to get the earnings, which is $32,670. And see, this is from Social Blade. They estimate that estimated yearly earnings is between $7,000 to $112,000, which is correct. It is still in the range. Now, Weldmonger also has merch. And these are some of the merch that they sell on the website. So they currently have about 618,000 subscribers. And let's just go on the low end and say that just 1% of the subscribers buy something each year. So that's 6,180. And the average price of the merch is about $30, which gives them a profit of about $15. So if you do 6,180 multiplied by $15, you get $92,700 per year, which is pretty good just from selling merch. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know of the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.